Okay, today my dad's fixing my TV. Like right there, you can see it right there. I'm gonna show you. Oh my gosh. He's like fixing my TV. If you like this video, just subscribe me because this is for I have the hiccups for my video, my first video, for my birthday. I mean, forget that for my birthday. So he's because I didn't have it hang, so I want to hang, so he's gonna hang it for me. Oh yeah. I got a Wii. It's right there. Right there, right there. I'm pointing. Right. Right there. See? Right there. I'm pointing at. And so, for my cousin Brilliant, I want to dedicate my 2 videos that I made. So, Brilliant. Peace. So yeah. Oh. There. Okay. My 2 cousins are playing around like crazy. Oh. He's just fixing my video. Wait, this thing doesn't work. See, my weed's right there, right there, where the hand is, right there. So yeah, I want to dedicate these 2 videos that I made, because this is my first time, because she taught me how to do this. So I want to thank her, and thank you if you're watching this, Brilliant. No, my dad just turned it on. It's awesome. It does not have any no buttons. It's touchscreen. Panta control. Well, yeah, I just want to dedicate to her, my cousin Brilliant. You can just watch her videos too. You can watch her videos too. I was just watching them like a minute ago, so yeah. So I wanted.
So what's up, Thriller? Man, these pants are butter.
Yeah.
How can you even afford
So yeah.
Hey, first the brush suede, not leather. Second, I switched my renter's insurance. Got my stuff covered for like $4 a month. No way. Like a good neighbor, State Farm. Hey, Eric, tell me what we did.
When you have State Farm car insurance, you can add renters and cover your things for about $4 a month, including leather pants.
Brush suede. Like beef jerky on your legs.
They do have a scent.
And renter's insurance. Get you better State Farm.
So the mark of my TV is hands-free. That's very funny right there, that commercial. Go check on it. So, Dad, how are you going with the fixing of my TV?
Good. Yeah, it's finished.
¿Cómo te va arreglando mi tele?
Oh, I understand what you're saying.
Always being silly. Yeah, so he's fixing that. I'm pretty sure if you just saw that very good.
Not bad. Only 2 meters today.
Can I walk to the Belvedere Hotel from here?
Here are directions. New message from Sarah Russell.
So yeah, my dad's fixing my TV of hanging it, so bye. And subscribe, thumbs up, down, or whatever. And leave a comment, subscribe, thumbs up again. Bye.